Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Umax app. So let's get started. So here I will just give you the full rating and about the Umax. So first of all, you have to open your Umax app. So at here, you have to first of all log in with your Google account or whichever account you are having. Then you have to upload your photo and it will change your photo into like type of a robotic type and you can use it like that. Okay, so from here you can, by settings, you can give them feedback. Also you can just upgrade to the pro option as well, and if you want to share to your friends also, you can share from here. So this is how to means this is how to use the Umax app. So if you have any question, then please you can ask me in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.